So hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to the channel. And we are here in Rishikesh in North India, where we spent the last few days. And today's video is gonna be special. We got invited in an Indian family house where Yuria was going the last days to learn cooking.
Indian cooking.
Yes, the Indian cuisine. So we decided to share this experience with you.
Last 3 days I've been learning cooking from her, and last 3 days we did only North Indian cuisine, but today I'm gonna learn South Indian cuisine from her, since she knows every kind of Indian dish. She doesn't just teach you the recipe or show you how to cook, but also provides you knowledge of basic Indian cooking with a clear concept and pretty practical advice and tips and the skill, which is the key. I've been really enjoy learning from her, and not only actually cooking, it's also like spending time with her, talking, because she's like a friend, a mom, and also a teacher for me, and it's just amazing to spend time with her. So this time I'd like to show my experience with you, and let's see how it goes.
Okay, we just arrived. Let's go inside.
It's a real Indian home experience.
Mhm. Up here? Hi. Namaste.
Namaste, how are you?
Good.
So she's Nandini.
Dominic. Nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you.
We will receive a nice local tea.
Yes, of
That's
course.
right.
It's 4:30. It's chai time.
Chai time.
Ooh.
Okay, chai is coming.
Thank you. Amazing. This one, she cooked. She made it. This is you made, right?
Yeah,
Hmm.
this I didn't know.
Ooh. What is this? It's a nut.
Nuts.
Manchi. Oh,
We'll
nice,
just
nice.
have our chai and go cooking.
Yes. Thank you, Nandini.
You're welcome.
So you ready to cook?
Yes, I'm ready
So-
to learn.
Let's do it.
Yes. Oh, you prepared already.
No.
Yeah.
Beautifully.
Kitchen is prepared.
Yeah.
So
So,
this thing, the batter, it was feeling cold.
Yeah.
So I gave him a sweater.
okay. So that's the dough for dosa.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the dough for dosa, but it was not fermented well till 4.
Okay.
So I kept it in the sweater and
Okay.
switched on the slide.
Perfect. So what I can learn today?
So we'll do sambar first.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
And
Beautiful
Presented
presentation.
spice.
Yeah.
India, they like to do this.
this.
Yeah. Beautiful. Sambal. Ooh, I'm so excited.
In
It's my
that
favorite.
time, I will do the masala for the dosa.
For the dosa. Ah,
The
so
dosa.
we can have a
Masala dosa.
Ah,
Yeah.
it's your favorite.
My favorite, yes.
Mustard oil.
Yeah. Hing
Hing. Okay.
and the mustard seeds.
Mustard seed. Like 1 teaspoon.
Yeah. Curry leaves.
Curry leaves.
These are fresh.
Of course, South Indian dish.
And a dried red chili.
Dry red chili.
Yeah.
Mmm. Smells
After
really
this,
good.
Yeah. Ginger and
Okay.
chili.
Ginger and chili.
Yeah. You can add as many flavors as you want,
Okay.
but this is like a typical.
Typical.
Yeah.
Oh.
And because it is winter, so
Okay. This is a winter special sambar. Ah.
So first we're gonna make the masala for the dosa.
Oh, smells amazing. Incredible. I can already have this like with rice. You don't use curry leaf for North Indian
no,
dish?
no, it's not typical to use a curry leaf
Yeah.
in North Indian dishes, but if you want, you can do.
Okay. So it's not like a classic dish.
No,
North
it's
Indian
not
dish with
classic.
curry leaf. But you can have access to curry
Curry
leaf.
leaf. We have
Ah,
plants.
you have plants. Ah, you can grow it here.
Yeah, useful to the
Okay.
garden.
Yeah. So now you can smell the peas.
Yeah.
Now we put the potatoes.
Potato. Boiled potato.
Yeah.
Smells really intense.
South Indian.
Ooh.
Smash it.
Smash it, yeah.
You seems to be a good student.
Yeah, very good.
Good student if you have a good teacher.
No.
That's right. So how is it? Good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's already yummy.
Whoa.
Like that.
Yeah, very nice. It's very
Tasty.
tasty.
Yes. I think we never had masala dosa with the green peas, so it's going to be a new
That's right.
experience.
We had
Yeah.
with beetroots once.
We tried beetroot one. Yeah, that was interesting.
Very interesting.
Whoa.
Yeah,
It is less salt.
Very good.
it's good.
Because we will
Very
add
good.
that also.
Okay, next is the sambar.
Sambar. You use unroasted sesame oil here.
Unroasted sesame. You can use anything you want.
Okay.
But the sesame oil gives a very different flavor.
Okay.
It's like a Chennai recipe.
Chennai.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
We use a lot of vegetables
Okay. Ooh.
in the sambar. But
Okay.
I'll bring a small plate to show you.
Ooh.
Okra.
Okra. Zucchini. Eggplants.
So
Cauliflower.
this is not actually zucchini. This is a small pumpkin.
Is it small pumpkin?
Yeah, raw.
Okay.
So these two are the main things, along with moringa. If you find
Moringa. Oh, I
Yeah.
love it. Moringa.
I have done it in like big cubes because I like to eat like a piece.
Yeah.
in the
Yeah. You
sambar.
wanna have a big chunk.
Yeah.
So
And
you
now I'm
soak it in
water because it turns black.
Okay.
So this is beans, capsicum, carrot, cabbage, and cauliflower.
Okay.
You can use as many vegetables as you want, and some surprise of chilies if you want.
South Indian dish is very healthy
healthy.
compared to
So
north.
same tempering. This.
Okay.
There are 5 things in it. 1, 2,
Tempering.
3.
Okay. You're taking video, right?
Yes.
Try to remember.
4,
Curry leaf.
and 5. This is the
Mustard.
South Indian tempering.
Okay.
And the
same.
North Indian is just hing and jeera.
Ah, simple.
Simple. But the North
South
Indian,
Indian.
South Indian is like 5 things.
Really complicated.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's
More
how
flavor.
it gets flavor.
Yeah,
All the
yeah.
flavors. I'll put some ginger
Ginger.
and also garlic
garlic.
and some chili.
Chili. I like
Our
this
style.
home cooking style.
And I'll put all the vegetables
Okay.
and let them cook. You can add potatoes. You can add whatever you want to add.
Okay.
So
Even like hard vegetables,
Yeah.
you cannot at the same time. Turmeric?
this is turmeric and
Paprika.
Red chili.
paprika.
It's paprika?
Yeah. Kashmiri mirch is paprika.
Chili.
And this is not.
Coriander.
This is coriander. Salt
Salt.
with salt.
Okay.
A lot of salt because it will be a lot of water.
Water. Mm.
Now we do the chutney.
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 Let's do
What
the,
kind of chutney can I learn today?
Today is the coconut,
Coconut
the
chutney?
classic white chutney.
Oh,
That's a
my
nice
favorite.
one. Mine too.
Classic chutney and the tomato one.
Tomato chutney.
Tomato chutney. Tomato chili.
Tomato chili.
Yeah.
Yesterday I learned 4 different kind of chutney. And today I'm going to learn 2 more.
Yeah, and they were amazing. I tried
Yeah,
them.
they're amazing. Yeah, she's super nice. She bought like a small little container for me, just to be able to bring it home and
To
then-
share.
Yeah, and then I could share with you and friends, and it was so amazing.
Very nice.
Yeah.
This is dried coconut. I've soaked it in what? Hot water.
Okay.
So I'll use half of it. Yeah.
Half coconut.
Half coconut.
Okay.
Is it always mixed
Always
with something?
mixed. Yeah.
I didn't know there's.
You can replace
chickpeas
this.
inside.
Yeah, you can replace this with peanuts also.
Peanuts.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds actually
Yeah.
good.
And some garlic. It's
Garlic.
not required, but I'm putting
Okay.
garlic, a chili.
Mm.
Indian cooking, you need a blender. This is a must.
For everything.
To make gravy, to make chutney, to make a butter for...
Blend it without water. Now
Without water.
Yeah, and now we blend it with water.
Okay.
Oh, that's a nice blender.
I'm gonna...
Yeah.
Whoa! This looks like the one we have
We
tried.
had, yes, in a restaurant.
Oh!
Just add more water to make it more good.
You need more water.
A little bit more.
Smells
More
really good.
smooth.
It's very smooth.
In here we'll do a nice tempering. Tempering
Okay,
is
yeah.
required.
So tempering.
The most important step.
Pyogi.
Yeah. This is from a farm.
Yeah. She's a very health conscious person, so I'm really glad about this too. I can learn like healthy version of Indian cooking, and I can learn the problems of industrial cooking. What's going on? It's very interesting. You don't get to know easily this information.
This is hing.
Hing?
Yeah. And this is the same. The same.
Okay.
So I'll break this and then
Red chili.
red chili.
Curry leaf.
Yeah, I put this now. If you make the chutney without tempering,
Yeah.
and then when you make it with the tempering, you will know
Oh,
that
you
it is-
add it.
Yeah.
So you're going to cook chutney?
No, just this.
You just mix.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. This is going to be very delicious.
That's for sure. No doubts.
Whoa.
You can't. You gave him the spoon. You gave him the spoon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Very good.
It's very good. So the next chutney is tomato chutney.
This also we need a little strong smell, like a strong flavor.
Okay.
Some people roast it without any oil, but if you are putting oil, it should be a strong oil.
Okay.
Yeah, in the chutney.
Okay. You
So
use the
I-
sesame.
Yeah, I
oil.
use oil, so like I use oil to roast it, so I use sesame only.
Oh, so you soak chili
Yeah,
in the water.
in hot water.
Are you going to use all?
Yes, it's spicy.
Lot of chili.
It's
Yeah.
very spicy.
And some green
Okay.
curry leaf.
Curry leaf.
This.
Mustard.
And this dal I've put already.
Dal. Okay. Dal meat.
And this
And
is
then
like around
This
10 of the big garlic.
Ooh. 10 chili.
I can already smell it.
Yeah. Be careful. Okay. Blend. How long have you been cooking?
I've been cooking for since I was 14 or 15.
14 or 15?
Wow.
Yeah, as a younger Nandini,
Yeah.
I was innovating so many things,
Yeah.
cooking so much.
Yeah.
We had a big family, like all a joint family.
Joint family.
Yeah. Sometimes they were happy eating what I was cooking. Sometimes
Yeah.
I forced them, no, you have to eat it now. So when I was in 8th grade or 9th grade,
Yeah.
my mother was always like, roti you will make. I've done everything, roti you will make. And I was like, okay.
She has
See,
so
now
many,
this is
so
cooked.
much knowledge.
Yeah. See, this is cooked now.
Okay.
Everything is cooked. We'll check if the
Smells awesome. Whoa.
Oh yeah, very sour.
With sugar,
it
it
balances.
will balance it out.
Yeah.
This is the unprocessed.
Yeah, this
jaggery,
is the
right?
first process.
First process.
First thing. First thing from the sugar cane.
This is the final step.
This is the
Followed by
final
some
step.
Very hot, very hot. Smells so good. Mmm.
The salt is fine.
Yeah, I think so. Lot of flavor. Okay.
Now it goes down.
Whoa. Yeah,
That's
color
the
has
magic.
changed.
Yeah, that's the magic.
more rich.
Mm.
So many different
It's a little
flavors.
bit more sour.
But it's good balance.
Mm, very good balance.
Wow.
The magic happened.
Exactly.
So that's the tomato chutney.
Yeah. I like that she will never waste anything.
Mhm.
She always never wastes anything. And I like that. I
That-
like how she cooks.
That's a real home cooking.
Yeah, exactly. So now we're gonna do idli and then dosa as well.
Huh? Dosa.
Dosa too. Now all the mystery I had, it's solving. Now I'm starting to understand more about the Indian.
Now you have the knowledge.
Yeah.
So
This is for the
dosa.
dosa.
Oh,
Wow.
for-
This is very thick pan.
so dough for the dosa.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a little bit of it.
So we need this to be able to
Flip it.
flip it, scrape it.
What is
The
it?
dosa. Look at this shiny dough.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
The first dosa.
Wow. Ah, so you add ghee here.
Yeah.
On the top.
So that it goes down,
Okay.
cooks through.
Whoa.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Looks like dosa.
Yes.
Wow.
First dosa
Looks
done.
good.
Beautiful.
Mm.
Wow.
Fresh, so fresh.
The battery's fine.
Yeah. Perfect. So we're gonna taste it now.
Let's taste it, yeah.
Half an hour.
Mmm.
It's a good sign. If I see this face, that's a good sign.
Wow.
Then I can get excited about the food.
You
Really
take the
tasty.
bite and she's saying wow.
Ah, so good. With chutney.
Your
Mm,
chutneys are
Mm.
outside.
very good.
Mm.
Don't wait for long.
Okay.
Smells like toasty.
Toast.
Yeah.
Wow.
This
Paper
is the
dosa.
my favorite
Must
dosa.
first paper dosa. Your
Yeah.
first paper dosa.
Mmm.
Mhm, nice.
Mm.
Nice.
This is a paper dosa. You can see very
Good.
thin.
Paper.
Yeah. Yeah, so you need these for making idli. And we're gonna grease the ghee and then put the butter and then we're gonna stir it here.
Healthy steamed idli.
Yeah.
Fermented, gluten-free,
Yeah.
oil-free, and very light.
Yeah. Good for gut.
And also very cheap, so there are very less chances of any
Yeah.
adulteration.
Yeah.
The rice is cheap, the dal is cheap.
Yeah, exactly. This is a stuffed idli.
For fussy son.
Ah,
So we will keep it on
Like
low
a-
to medium.
low to medium heat.
For
Okay.
it's not.
Okay, idli is ready.
If it's greased well, it will come out.
Right.
So food is ready.
So we have rasam, dosa, sambal, tomato chutney, coconut chutney, and idli.
Let's try them
It's a
all.
feast.
Thank you.
But the red one is very spicy.
Coconut chutney.
It's good
It's
with
a
the
bit-
yogurt. Yeah.
It's best with the yogurt. It's the best I've ever had.
Ah, thank you.
I expected to be the same as in a restaurant, but no.
Wow, the red chutney is
Much better.
also. Yeah.
Mm.
Actually, the tomato chutney, the spiciness is perfect for me. It's not so spicy. You can still taste the flavor with chili and tomato.
Yeah.
Not overpowering the flavor. Wow.